Trail running demands more from your shoes than regular running. Uneven terrain, slippery surfaces, and long distances can quickly expose the weaknesses in the ROM pair. In 2025, trail running shoes have evolved to offer better traction, durability, and comfort than ever, making it easier for runners of all levels to tackle rugged paths with confidence. That's why in this video, we're reviewing the best trail running shoes of the year to help you find the right balance of performance and comfort for your runs. Stick around as we break down the top options that will keep you running strong, no matter where the trail takes you. Number 8 in my list is Asitvo Wide Men's Barefoot Zero Drop Sole Trail Running Shoes. These trail running shoes are built around a zero-drop sole that keeps your feet close to the ground, promoting a more natural posture, while relieving stress from joints and enhancing overall stability. The barefoot-inspired design offers vivid ground feedback to help strengthen foot muscles and improve flexibility over time. A standout feature is the wide toe box, which lets your toes splay naturally, cuts down friction, and ensures comfort even during extended activity. The lightweight upper is crafted from breathable mesh and features TPU seamless overlays for zone support and added durability. A TPU toe cap extends protection against impacts, while the non-slip, abrasion-resistant rubber outsole delivers dependable traction on both trail and urban terrain. The removable insole lets you swap in custom support for those with special arch needs. Available in a broad range of sizes, from 7 wide up to 16 wide. These shoes cater to diverse foot shapes. They're praised for being comfortable, stylish, and offering excellent value, with bonus extras like additional insoles or laces occasionally included. Ideal for trail runners, gym goers, or anyone seeking an everyday natural feel sneaker that allows for freedom of movement and solid underfoot connection. These shoes are a smart minimalist choice. Number 7 in my list is Whitin Men's Barefoot Trail Running Shoes. The Whitin Men's Barefoot Trail Running Shoes offer a minimalist design crafted to mimic the natural feel of barefoot movement. Their standout features include a zero-drop sole that keeps heel and forefoot level for improved posture, better alignment, and more direct ground engagement. A generously wide toe box allows toes to splay freely, enhancing stability on uneven terrain and reducing discomfort during long runs. Built with a lightweight mesh upper and supportive overlays, including TPU accents reinforced by braided fishing line, the shoes lock the foot securely while shielding against trail debris. The heel is cushioned with extra padding for comfort and security during longer wear, while the grippy outsole features a 3mm lug pattern that excels on dirt, gravel, and natural surfaces. These shoes shine for users seeking foot strength, flexibility, and better proprioception. Many praise their barefoot feel, comfort, and value, noting durability that holds up well despite frequent trail use. However, buyers report fit can vary. Some find sizing inconsistent or toe box length off, so consulting sizing guides or trying multiple sizes can help. Also, while traction is reliable on trails, surfaces like wet tiles or polished concrete may feel slippery underfoot. Number 6 in my list is Kricely Men's Trail Running Shoes. Kricely Men's Trail Running Shoes offer a lightweight and breathable design, tailored for outdoor enthusiasts seeking comfort and practicality. The upper is constructed from mesh and TPU materials, ensuring airflow during high-activity sessions, while providing structural support across the foot. That airy construction helps keep feet cool and dry even during long runs or hikes. Underfoot, a durable rubber outsole with an aggressive tread pattern delivers dependable grip on uneven terrain, reducing the risk of slips on surfaces like gravel, dirt, and rock. The midsole is crafted from EVA material, providing responsive cushioning that absorbs impact and protects joints during long strides and rough footing. A standout feature is the ruby toe box, designed to allow toes to splay naturally for enhanced balance and stability. This makes the shoes particularly suitable for those with wider feet or drivers who value natural foot movement. The zero-drop profile promotes a more natural gait, aligning heel and forefoot on a level plane to support better posture and running mechanics. Versatile and stylish, these shoes suit a wide range of activities: trail running, hiking, gym training, casual walking, or daily use. Their affordable price point makes them an appealing choice for value-focused buyers. Number 5 in my list is Salomon Men's Speedcross Trail Running Shoes. The Salomon Men's Speedcross Trail Running Shoes are engineered for aggressive trail performance, designed to excel on soft, technical surfaces like mud, loose dirt, or snow. Their standout feature is the deep, chevron-style lugs built on a Conta-grip outsole. These bite into terrain for confident traction and shed mud easily to maintain grip during extended runs. The lug pattern even wraps over the toe cap, aiding in climbs and steep descents. Above, the welded stitch-free upper hugs the foot securely via Salomon's SensiFit system, while a quick lace setup allows effortless one-pull tightening and convenient lace storage. The welded structure and anti-debris mesh guard against underfoot irritants like pebbles and twigs, helping to keep the fit snug and irritation-free. Underfoot, the Energy Cell Plus midsole delivers a responsive, cushioned feel, particularly supportive for heel-striking runners. It provides decent bounce without sacrificing durability. The 10mm heel-to-toe drop helps with downhill control, while the overall weight remains moderate, allowing swift movement without feeling cumbersome. Number 4 in my list is New Balance Women's Fresh Foam X Hierro V7 Trail Running Shoes. The Fresh Foam X Hierro V7 is crafted specifically for women who want a blend of trail-ready performance and comfort in a lightweight package. Its standout midsole features Fresh Foam X cushioning, the softest New Balance offers, ensuring a plush yet responsive underfoot feel. Designed with an 8mm heel-to-toe drop, it fosters smooth transitions and a natural stride, while remaining grounded enough for confident trail movement. The upper combines synthetic materials and breathable mesh, offering good protection from trail debris while maintaining ventilation. A reinforced toe guard adds defense against rocks and root hazards. Underfoot, the Vibram Mega Grip outsole delivers reliable traction across varied terrain, and its widely spaced 4.5mm lugs help shed mud easily. Weighing approximately 235 grams, 8.3 ounces, in women's sizing, these shoes strike a solid balance between durability and agility, ideal for mixed-use adventures. During testing, runners praised the Hierro V7 for its plush comfort, stylish design, and impressive grip. It excels on smoother, moderate trails and transitions well between road and dirt. Number 3 in my list is Brooks Men's Cascadia 18 GTX Waterproof Mountain Trail Running Shoes. The Brooks Cascadia 18 GTX is a durable, all-terrain trail running shoe tailored for runners who tackle wet, rugged, and variable mountain terrain. Its standout feature is the lightweight Gore-Tex Invisible Fit membrane, bonded directly to the upper to provide dependable waterproof protection while remaining breathable and flexible. The upper also combines quick-dry mesh with reinforced overlays and a TPU toe cap, helping to shield against trail debris without adding bulk. Underfoot, the DNA Loft 2 cushioning delivers a balanced blend of softness and responsiveness, ensuring comfortable strides across mixed terrain. Sandwiched between midsole layers, the articulated ballistic rock shield protects feet from sharp rocks while maintaining flexibility. Combined with the Trail Adapt system, which unifies the midsole, rock plate, and zonal outsole pods, this shoe offers impressive stability and control over uneven ground. Traction comes from the Trail Tack Green rubber outsole, featuring 4.5mm multi-directional lugs that grip mud, loose dirt, and wet surfaces with confidence. The shoe provides a steady, grounded feel through long runs, supported by its 8mm heel-to-toe drop and a wide, stable platform. Number 2 in my list is Altra Women's Lone Peak 7 Trail Running Shoes. Altra Women's Lone Peak 7 Trail Running Shoes combine a natural foot feel with modern trail-ready performance. They feature Altra's signature foot-shaped toe box, designed to let toes spread and splay naturally, enhancing stability on varied terrain. With a zero-drop platform, the foot sits flat, promoting a more natural stride while strengthening foot and lower leg muscles over time. The cushioning utilizes Altra's updated Max Track midsole and grippy outsole with multi-directional lugs, delivering a secure grip on wet roots, gravel, and muddy paths. An updated rock plate underfoot offers additional protection, while retaining flexibility for technical terrain. The upper is made from a revised, stretchy knit mesh that's lightweight, breathable, and quick-drying, while still offering structure and durability. Reflective accents subtly enhance visibility in low-light conditions. Runners appreciate the balanced cushioning, plush enough to smooth out rough terrain, yet responsive enough for nimble trail work. Weight remains reasonable, making them versatile enough for long-distance trail runs or casual hikes. Number 1 in my list is New Balance Men's 410 V8 Trail Running Shoes. The New Balance Men's 410 V8 Trail Running Shoes are a versatile and reliable choice for outdoor enthusiasts tackling light to moderate off-road terrain. Their lightweight design, paired with breathable mesh uppers and synthetic overlays, offers a great balance of ventilation and structural support to keep feet comfortable while navigating varying surfaces. Underfoot, the absorbed midsole cushioning delivers excellent shock absorption and underfoot comfort, helping reduce fatigue on longer runs or hikes. The molded footbed adds extra layer of comfort, making these shoes feel plush from the first step. Designed with a rugged multi-directional lug pattern in the outsole, the tread grips well on packed dirt, gravel, and trail paths without feeling overly aggressive. These shoes also feature toe bumpers that help protect toes against rocks and roots, while the traditional lace-up closure ensures a secure and adjustable fit. The heel collar is padded for added comfort and to prevent heel slippage during movement. With a moderate heel-to-toe drop, the shoes promote a natural running gait without compromising stability. They are well suited for trail running beginners, light hikers, or everyday outdoor walks. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.